Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, and this is called Sweet Skates. It's adorable little roller skate with some gold hearts on it. They released this around Valentine's Day. I've had this one for quite some time. And the fragrant notes for this one are strawberry, banana, grape, sugar, and it's on top of a vanilla base. So this bath bomb doesn't have anything hidden inside like a lot of the bath bombs I do demos on, but they're just really colorful and fun. I think every single bath bomb I've gotten from them has like hidden color inside, and you'll see it start streaming out of the sides of the bath bomb. It's normally pink and purple, sometimes orange, just a rainbow of colors. And no matter what colors are included, it never turns the water like a brown icky color like some of the other companies. So I think they do a really good job with their bath bombs, and I like them a lot. I'll definitely link them below. And sometimes they do kind of just put a splash page on their website whenever they're sold out, and then they do a big release, and then they'll email you if you're on their mailing list to know that new stuff has been released. I was very sad that they didn't put anything out for Christmas. I don't think they did the past couple years. Maybe they just don't. But every year they have some really cool Halloween ones, and of course other seasonal ones as well. But yeah, you'll have to check out my playlist in case you want to see other bath bomb demos from them. But they have all sorts of products. They have, of course, the bath bombs. They have wax melts. They have bubble bars. They have little bath bombs with like hidden toys and different things inside of them. So they have a variety of products. And you can see some bubbles coming out of the side of the bath bomb. So I went to go check on it, and there's still a large portion of the bath bomb still there. You could kind of see how they work the color into the center of the bath bomb. Typically when I run the bath water, it's extremely hot. But today it was a little on the colder side, so I'm not sure if that affected maybe the fizziness of it, because it was kind of foaming pretty slowly, but not quite sure. Either way, it was very colorful. Here's the last little tiny bit of the bath bomb. And here's what the water looked like at the very end. Beautiful purple. And like I said, I do have a playlist, so if you'd like to see more from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned and check out the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.